So we're in the middle of this beautiful place, and just look at the greenery around. Like, can you imagine just being here? It's so serene. As a matter of fact, let me be quiet just a second. What do you hear? This is Gambia, the smiling coast. It's not something I've ever experienced before, right? It is quiet. It is peaceful. The people are just beautiful. And when I say beautiful, I mean they are physically beautiful. They are spiritually beautiful. I feel so welcome and at home. My heart is full. I can't even describe what it feels like to be here. And to be in a place like this, just is everything. This is the head of a baby hippo, and these are jaws of other hippos that were killed or died in some sort of way. But do you see how big this is a baby hippo. Do you see how big this is? Wow. How are you? Okay, come here, little monkey. Not you, you have some. So this is a parasite tree. Okay. So on the inside of this tree, and interwoven in these branches here, there's a palm tree that was taken over by this tree. Wow. So it uses the palm tree that's on the inside for food. And then that's how it grows. And it grows, it just keeps growing until...
This is what they call kaba.
Taba.
Yeah, kaba.
Kaba.
Yeah, normally the monkeys food they used to it.
Oh, okay.
Likely when you go in the market, they used to sell it. People also used to it. So it's a fruit.
Oh, kaba. I think I've had the juice.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a fruit?
Fruits, yeah.
It's really good.
Very good.
It's very good. But I can't find it everywhere. We'll see some? Kaba.
Yeah, they used to it. Yeah. Here's the stones.
Okay. Those are the seeds?
Yeah, the seeds, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, he doesn't want it.
It's a fool. Let's go.
Okay. And this is the copper tree?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at his big self. The ranger has been here 20 years. Are you sure it's safe?
Yeah.
Of course. You see all the missing fingers?
Yeah.
Yeah. The sound of that closing is kind of like going in the penitentiary of that door, but
Okay, seriously. I am not comfortable. See, you're staying back here.
we can see how I'm gonna hop up the fence. We got that tree right there.
They can hop the fence in the tree too. Remember, they said they beat up the other one, hop in the fence and whooped his ass. Oh, no.
Yeah, bullshit. So we right here.
Don't run.
Oh, no running. We just yeah.
Just make sure if you see them coming this way while I'm looking,
Mm-hmm.
that you alert me. Don't just let
Absolutely.
anything happen to me. You my brother.
Absolutely, sister. I'm going to save myself when I get to the other side of the gate.
Oh,
I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna let you know that they're on the way.
okay.
One of us has to live to tell the story.
That's very true. So why not you, right?
Yeah, who better than me?
Wow.
Yeah.
They are beautiful.
Do you want to pick up a sheep leg or the?
No, the ribs, no. So
Yeah.
that they can, so I can
What is
hand
this
feed
like?
them? No.
Goat afra right here? You sure? When they-
Do you see that big old horn though? There's a horn
Yeah.
over there.
Boogie, boogie, boogie.
All right.
Boogie.
All right. So
This is interesting. I would never have imagined that I would be in a hyena pen or this close to a hyena on the same side of the fence. Going in?
You want?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's going.
okay. So let me tell you how gangster my sister is. My sister is going to go inside.
It's me. I go on unless I catch the air. See?
That's you?
It's me.
Yeah, you do something different with
Here
the
also is
picture.
me. You see?
Okay.
Okay.
Inside here.
Okay.
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 Okay. Now, when they start running this direction, we might have an issue. Okay. There's one coming this way.
I think you're gonna be all right, sister.
I'm okay.
You okay?
Yeah. They're just big doggies.
Now, how many times have you seen on TV somebody go into an actual enclosure of hyenas?
Never.
Never. All right. So here it is. You got a warrior sister right here that's about to engage a hyena, and it's not just one. We're in here with three
4.
other family members, so it's a
Yeah.
total of 4 hyenas that you have in here. So he's just really just trying to coax the hyena to come over, so you don't make any rapid movements, or you can start to lose some limbs. They have
Right.
jaw crushing power.
Okay. She's
Um,
coming.
So you still got any of that super kanja on your fingers? Is that what they smell? You sure?
Small, no, go small. Near the man.
Small, yeah.
No
Small,
problem.
small.
I think
But you
that
turn
they're
There's no
right.
problem.
Is that, what is that? Is that a snake? No. Okay.
No.
It looks something snaky.
It's a rope.
These are, okay, do you see that this is the jaw of something that it ate?
Probably a bay. It's a goat.
What's that, goat?
Cow.
Cow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, obviously they understand that they are in the presence of a queen because they have spread out.
Ah. Or that could be a way that they do their prey. They kind of go at different angles,
Yeah, I know.
so you can't run.
No, because I'm over here. They've all
Okay.
spread out.
Okay. I'll just keep the camera running. I'll just kind of get the car started a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Hi, little doggies or big doggies. I
Okay.
am in a hyena enclosure.
Yep.
A hyena enclosure.
But they ain't laughing though. That's crazy.
They're not.
They ain't playing no games right now.
They're wondering
Okay.
who we are.
You should introduce yourself. Just go and just kind of rub their teeth a little bit.
No.
Play with them. You sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. All right.
This is Gambia.